Hello guys, welcome to Michael Chung Racing, and in this unboxing series I'm going to unbox DJI Osmo Mobile 2 for you guys. Okay, in this video I'm going to share with you guys 3 tips on how to properly use your gimbal for your videos, and also I'm going to show you guys some of the features that you can find from this DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Alright, coming up! Alright, so let's open this up. Oh wow! This one has a polystyrene box. This one is quite durable, right? But light at the same time. Oh wow! Okay. So I got this USB cable. This one you can use it to fast charge your Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal. But at the same time, you also can use from this gimbal to emergency charge your phone too if your phone is running out of battery. Alright. Okay, and then this gimbal. Alright, this is the main thing here. Oh wow. Oh, this composite material is very rigid and solid, but at the same time it is very light too. So you can take your videos for a long period of time without getting tired. Wow. Slick design too, not bad. And there are 2 knobs here, 1 and 2. This one you can loosen it up and adjust the balance of your phone. Alright, so this one is very good. Okay, so here are 3 tips for you guys to use this DJI Mobile 2. Okay guys, the first tip is the balance. Okay, what I mean is the balance got 2. One is the balance of your phone, the weight of your phone, which is in the middle, that to all the 3 axes of your gimbal. Okay, I can adjust the balance of the gimbal by adjusting these 2 knobs. Alright, after I am fixing it, then I try to make it in the middle as much as I can. This one, the phone must be pushed to the bottom as much as I can, so that it can maintain the middle. Okay. The reason of you doing that is because you don't want to overwork the motors. Alright. The motors may be fighting against the gravity in order to balance out your phone. So we try not to do that, we try to make it as balanced as we can, right? So okay, you can see that it is tilting to this direction, so I'm going to release the knob and then we're going to adjust it slightly to the bottom. Alright? Okay, you can see this side, see whether it is okay. But it is tilting on this side, so I'm going to adjust this. Okay, so the second aspect of balance is your footwork. Alright, your shoulder. Okay, try to balance the gimbal by loosening up your shoulders. Okay, bend your knees, and when you are walking, so you're absorbing part of the vibrations from the ground too. Alright, try not to put it as vertical as it is now. Try to put it like this so that it can absorb all the vibrations, because this 3 axis, it cannot absorb the vertical vibrations. Okay, so you try to make it like this, so you will try to balance by itself. Alright, so this is tip number 1 for you. Okay, so tip number 2 is you need to download the DJI Go from the App Store or from the iTunes Store. Okay, from there, try to connect using the Bluetooth to your Osmo Mobile 2 and try to get used to all the settings with your gimbal. Okay, especially the autofocus. Okay, you can press on somebody, and when you try to move, it will follow you. Okay, you can see it will try to follow me. So this one is very useful, especially when I am one person, or when the object is moving slowly. I can put it on my car and I can explain it, and the camera will be following me. Okay, so this one is very useful. Okay, so for example, the pitch lock. Okay, you can see it from here. Okay, it maintains the pitch. Okay, if you turn off the pitch lock, so if you move very violently, okay, the camera will move slowly, but it cannot maintain the pitch. Alright, so if I press the pitch lock, so the vertical axis it will still maintain. Can you see? Alright, so you have to get used to your program first before you do anything to your footages or you plan for any videos. Alright? Okay, so tip number 3 is you have to plan before you do your videos. Alright, so for example, you are doing a very big scenic background video. So you are going to walk all the way. Immediately you turn on your hyperlapse or your time lapse. You try to take all the photos, all the videos while you're walking. So you have to know all the functions in the app first before you do that. Okay, and for example, you are doing an explanation video. Okay, immediately you can press the focus, and you can focus to your face, and you can put it on some surface which is very stable, and you can continue to do your tutorials or your teachings. Alright, so I hope you guys learned something from this unboxing. Okay guys, so here are the 3 tips and the unboxing of this DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Okay, if you guys want to know more and you guys want to buy this, you can click the link on the description, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'll be giving out more and more unboxing videos so that to show you guys what are the tools that I'll be using for my 2JZ engine building and my video recording. Okay, so I'm going to do more recording now. See you!